Do you want to learn how to turn yourself into an action figure toy for free using ChatGPT AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So first, head over to chatgpt.com. And over here, you need to insert your own image, which you can do so by clicking on this button, this plus icon, which is going to upload the file. So click on it and then click on upload from computer. Upload the file, and then you have to type in this prompt here. Turn this image into a boxed action figure of a video creator. You can change this to something else. I'm going to paste this whole prompt in the description so you can make changes to it and work around with that. Fully packaged from head to toe in a classic blister pack style. Include accessories like camera, microphone, keyboard, mouse, etc. You can type different things here which you want in the toy figure package. The packaging should proudly feature the name. You can type the text here which you want to display on the top of this packaging. So like here, I've typed in these things, and based on it, this is what it has created, which looks really cool. And I've also generated one more. I'm going to show you this one. This also looks really nice. Now there's another trend of turning into a Barbie. And that's why I also added this one, this prompt, that you can turn this image. Actually, there was no image. I think it just turned me into a Barbie or something. But you can also give it an female image, which you can get from thisimagedoesnotexist.com, or you can get it from Pikzels, and then you can put it here by clicking on the plus icon, and then you can ask it to turn this image into a boxed action figure of a Barbie and all this. If you want to not put an image and you just want to generate an action figure, that's it. You can just slightly alter this, generate a boxed action figure of a Barbie that way. Like here, this is what it has generated based on this prompt alone. And it looks really nice. Your friendly neighborhood Barbie. And this is the one. I took the Pikzels image and I asked it to turn it into a Barbie. And this is what it has created. So you can do something similar as well. And it's really cool. And this is the trend going on right now. So that's it. This is how to turn yourself into a toy action figure for free using ChatGPT AI. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more tutorials in a playlist. So see you there and bye for now.